तो आज है हमारा यहाँ पे छोटा सा बर्थडे पार्टी. छोटा सा तो नहीं, आई थिंक बहुत बड़ा है. So this is Temonla's birthday. Very sorry. Happy birthday, Temonla. Wishing you lots and lots of happiness and success and prosperity. And I hope you excel in everything you do. Okay, it's a wish from your Anila. Okay guys, तो चलिए यहाँ माई ग्रुप इज़ राइट हियर. तो हम लोग चल रहे हैं इग्नाइट शंग्रीला में. आज है प्रोग्राम. सो वी ऑल आर वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स दैट. और यहाँ देखिए. सो वी हैव मेट आवर ब्यूटीफुल nieces here. Hello guys, look here. See, we have these beautiful girls here, Yongla and Kunsang. Okay, और बाकी सब तो हम लोग है ही. Yishila is here, beautiful Yishila. And beautiful Anilas are walking in front of me. तो चलो हम सब लोग जा रहे हैं. Yeah, she straightened her hair. Okay, where is Agula? Okay, so yeah. Ngawa tagge. Come on guys. There is Kitsu. Look here, and there is Temonla. Yeah. Okay, तो we are on our way. तो चलिए आपको दिखाते हैं Ignite. Okay. Going up. म्यूजिक पूरा सुनाई दे रहा है. लगता है सब लोग आ चुके हैं. आपका शंग्रीला रेस्टोरेंट. दिस इज द रेस्टोरेंट. हम ऐसे देखने आएंगे. स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट रेस्टोरेंट. आज का डेकोरेशन सिम्स. कोई नहीं आया है, हम ही आए हैं पहले. Get vlog is here. Get vlog. Please share, subscribe, like. Get vlog entertains you. Jelengis. Actually, this is my first time in Ignite. Mama. Cocktail, mocktail, everything. Hi. She's the birthday boy's mother. Very pretty. White. Washing the color white. She's Anila's sister's son. Beautiful, pretty ladies are here. Hello. I hope you don't mind. Yes, please. Pretty lady goes. I'm lazy answer feri. Huh? Oh, this is. Oh, here's the birthday boy. Hi, birthday boy. Jail. He looks like a character from Harry Potter, huh? Yeah. Good looking. Happy birthday. And congratulations. You did so well. We all are very, very proud of you.
He deserves this party, huh?
Yeah. He deserves it. Guys, so here is your hot drink. Hot drinks are here. Okay, I'll show you what are the drinks available here.
I'm going to have Baileys.
What are you having? Baileys? Whatever. She loves Baileys. Ajla, what is yours? Poison.
I like not sure so much choice. Grey goose,
So many choices.
white wine, white wine.
White wine. You also?
Yeah, I think I have white wine.
And you?
White wine.
Get white wine. Okay. So many choices. Look at this, guys. Choice बिल्कुल कमी नहीं है.
You also want wine.
And here is, I think, the snacks. Look at this display. कितना सुंदर display कर रखा है. Snacks counter. Hello, guys.
Allah.
Where's Fulchung? Oh, Fulchung la reda. Hi. He's the birthday boy. La. Hello, Stelle. Stelle. And la. Everyone is here. Hi. Stella. Anla, consider in the love, please. In my vlog. Just Stelle and la. Just Temonla kate aku result le shara. Yaku chida ko igzelai. Ani la da proud je da. Temonla ra yaku khante chine. Ni chungi result yaku chida. Pe yaku chida Temonla. La. Comments la tinje link mare ni. Pe yaku le da. La. Listen la. Chorus kya? Oh, and here is the main. क्या बोलते हैं अब the main setup for birthday and it's still setting. म बहिनीहरूले गरेको यो ए so nice. So you are like which के company छ तपाईको? Small company के छ नाम?
Manna cakes.
Manna Cakes दार्जिलिङ
हैन अहिले हामी चुङथुङ बेस छ फिलहाल चाहिँ फ्युचर दार्जिलिङ.
looks very nice. I hope the cake is also good. Looks very nice. केक को थीम चाहिँ के हो? Black Forest.
Flavor.
Oh, flavor, sorry. The theme के हो?
chocolate plus coffee छ. त्यसको बारेमा यहाँ white forest हुन्छ हो. त्यहाँ दिनमा चाहिँ तपाईको strawberry, pineapple हरू छ.
Oh, nice. All the flavors. मेरो में तो कमला.
That is very hard to pronounce.
Yeah, I'll give it to you later. So this is Manna Cakes, guys. If you want to order, please contact them. WhatsApp, call, Insta, everything is here. And look at this. The decoration is beautiful. See, Aula are also here. Temonla gi thalo result pani khanje apu chishara. Pe apu chida, pupe apu da khona the machine. Kurangi future thola ra ta di party di. He deserves laimba ra inda yi la jik chasra ningje pu yapu da pu yapu lobjong yapu. So yeah, modirang ta vlog chiji chik sugyo ngai khona as a remembrance kurai juma ra ta ra. La sagla. So this is how सब कुछ है इधर. अभी लोग ज़्यादा नहीं आए हैं, है ना? Slowly I think. अभी म्यूजिक भी. Screens. Oh, madam, are you drink भयो? La. This is all cocktail, है भाई? कुन cocktail हो यो चाहिँ? This is a mocktail. Blue Lagoon.
Blue आयो अनि यो Blue Paradise.
Dammy. Looks very interesting. Take that. Nani is here. Bacha party. बहिनी खोता दा म त खोइ not discussing that. Hi Chikinla, beautiful girl. You're hiding behind. I didn't see only. Okay. Mama. We have more of guys than girls. Picha the Chikinla is ekle. Oh, chalo mera cocktail ready ho gaya. That is mine, the pink one. How does it look? Very good. Thank you, bye. This is mine, guys. Okay, sisters group. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. Congratulations, Temonla.
Doctor Lopsala. के हो यहाँ चाहिँ कहाँको हो
यहाँ चाहिँ एकदम हाम्रो आफाको कुरा हुँदैछ गार्लाङमा चाहिँ ह्याट्रिक बस्नु छ गार्लाङमा चाहिँ यहाँ पनि एकदम डरलाग्दो खेल्छ आउँछु भन्दै चाहिँ
Garlang is what next Sunday
नेक्स्ट सन्डे गार्लाङ विकेन्ड हुन्छ कालिम्पोङ यस कालिम्पोङ भेटरन
कालिम्पोङ veteran कालिम्पोङ veteran सँग
गरिदिन्छौँ हाम्रो यो गार्लाङमा चाहिँ
के
हामी चाहिँ अब सब युट्युबर चाहिएको छ कि
अच्छा नानी चाहिँ
टप युट्युबर चाहिँ यो वाली चाहिँ टप के नानी सबै लोकेस नानी
Garlang
ग्रास नानी मुन लाने मुन लाने
हेर फेरि भन्नुहोस् त यो आइपिजीले देखाउनु पर्छ
होइन म पनि अब विचार गर्छु लान्छु के हो सन्डे चाहिँ अब गार्लङमा चाहिँ फ्यामिली छ भने चाहिँ मजा
फर्स्टमा त म लाने भने अहिले विचार दुईटा ओपिनियन दिएर हुन्छ लाने
ल इन्जोय फाक्सा इज गुड पे अब फाक्सा ल अब ब्लगर भएछ अब ओहो जुला इज हियर Everyone's enjoying. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, so cute. What's your name? Jordan. Your name is Jordan? Jordan. Hey. So cute you are. Mama, kids are having pretty girl. Pretty girls are here. Mama, To my candle. Please don't see us. Nice, yeah. That's the light. My son's birthday. We are praying for each of you. Heartfelt and the silver symbolizing blessings of wisdom, peace, and a good fortune. At each day, we thank you to make a wish for son from your heart. Your blessings are if he can receive it today.
Hey, okay, thank you. It's here, it's here.
यहाँ पे यक्स भी है, हाँ, यक्स भी है यहाँ पे।
It's only one per family. Sorry. There.
I'm so great to have you. And I love you more than my words. As being your mother, I'm so proud of having you. I'm proud to have you. Happy birthday.
Thank you everyone. Now let's get ceremony.
Hi. So today is my brother's birthday, and I wish him a happy birthday for his 18th birthday. He's got the cake right now, and he has been a good brother for 14 years of my life. So, happy birthday!
Now the sister.
Hi. Happy birthday, Tibetan. It's really hard to meet you all. But don't go too fast. Thank you, Joara.
What was that?
Thank you each and everyone. Now let's get to the tea cutting ceremony. Thank you everyone for attending, and let's keep on the ceremony. For the big ceremony, thank you.
dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I wanna be someone. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one.
Party is over.
Party is over and we are so
Tired.
energetic.
Energetic still. तो पार्टी बहुत बहुत बढ़िया था, है ना? मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया.
और मेरा पैर गया. मेरा पैर गया? क्यों? बहुत नाचा था.
बच्चों ने भी बहुत एंजॉय किया, I swear. And I hope आप लोगों को भी ये वीडियो भी बहुत मजा आया होगा. So इसी के साथ मेरा व्लॉग यहीं पे ख़त्म करती हूँ, है ना? आई होप जल्दी मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट व्लॉग पे. तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर. कीप सपोर्टिंग, कीप लविंग. बाय.